Begin by disconnecting the ground terminal from the battery, red arrow, and placing it somewhere where it cannot come in contact with the post while you are working. To remove the under panel, begin by removing the large plastic Phillips head screws as indicated by the red arrows. Next, remove the trim pieces if you have them, and using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws, red arrows, holding the panel to the dash. Drop the panel down and make sure it is free and clear of everything and remove it from the vehicle. With the panel removed, you can see the blower motor as indicated by the red arrow. Unplug the electrical connection by pulling the plug straight down, red arrow. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the single screw on the plastic arm on the blower motor, red arrow. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 3 screws holding the motor to the housing, as indicated by the red arrows. The motor will now slip down out of the housing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.